Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the R9 Marketplace, a bustling hub where skilled traders can truly thrive. This isn't just about playing, it's about smart economics and turning your in-game time into tangible rewards. We're going to dive into how you can consistently make a profit here, step by step, ensuring you build a successful trading empire and boost your in-game wealth. The first secret to consistent profit on R9 is knowing what players actually want. Spend some time researching recent game updates, checking community forums, and observing what items are popular in current player builds. Always keep an eye out for those rare or hard-to-get items. Their scarcity often drives up their value significantly, creating excellent selling opportunities for you. Once you know what's hot, the next step is acquiring those items for less than their market value. Practice sniping by quickly buying underpriced items the moment they appear. If you have the capital, buying in bulk can also net you a significant discount, allowing for bigger profits when you resell. Always have a clear understanding of an item's typical price range before you commit to a purchase. Timing is everything in the R9 marketplace. Pay close attention to when most players are online, as demand and prices often spike during these hours. Major game updates or new content releases can dramatically shift item values, so anticipate these changes and plan your sales accordingly. Look for opportunities to buy when an item's price is low, patiently waiting for its value to rise. Finally, wise traders always manage their risk and plan for growth. Diversify your inventory. Never invest all your funds into a single type of item, as its value can drop unexpectedly. Set clear spending limits on individual purchases to prevent large losses. As you make profits, consider reinvesting a portion back into your trading capital, gradually scaling up your operations for even greater success in R9.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.